In chapter 1 of the book, right at the beginning, 1:5 to 1:6, the book says the moral law causes the people to be in complete accord with their ruler so that they will follow him regardless of their lives, undismayed by any danger. Now, without much explanation, you can probably already feel that this moral law is the inspirational element. But there's a lot more to it. In the book 113, the article analyzes the leader's competency by comparing their abilities to establish moral law among their followers. The book asks the question, which of the two sovereigns is imbued with the moral law? And in chapter 4, 4:16, the book goes on to say the consummate leader cultivates the moral law and strictly adheres to method and discipline. Thus, it is in his power to control success. So the point is being iterated over and over again that first and foremost, any success starts with the leader. And for the leader himself, it starts with the moral law, which is the vision, the value, and the leader's way of inspiring and motivating his people. And that is the original sense of a moral law in The Art of War. All of these stories are telling us the clear and worthwhile purpose and the intrinsic value are the two essential parts for business to succeed. For 3M, their purpose is to solve problems with innovation. Therefore, they value new ideas. They're proud that they can provide 60,000 products because none of the products is a distraction. It's a way of focus. For the Chinese communists, they made sure that their purpose was what the peasants needed the most so they could support and join the party. And for Mary Kay, in an interview, she shared her secret for building her global business empire. She said she always believed that the right values could carry her all the way to the top. And the company value empowering women was just her mom's words when she was little. You can do it. As you can see now, moral law does not come from the leader. It comes from the people. It's their longings for recognition, understanding, and success. And for a leader to imbue himself with moral law is never really inspiration or motivation just by himself. It is by understanding the people he wants to represent. So as a leader, you should know it's never about you. It's about them. So the article tells us to architect success, step number 1, determine the authentic, honest, and meaningful vision and values which are shared among the people. This is the step that sets you on a journey to get to the place where it is in your power to control success. Now again, imagine when you're going to work each day, you're full of purpose and dedication. You know where your business is going, you have a great plan to get you there, and you know how to get each step done in a perfect way. Whether you're a leader or a team member, this is the greatest place to be. It gives you hope, it gives you power, it is the moral law.